Hi everybody. Well, Sonic Hedgehog has I don't know how many subscribers he has yet. He hasn't told me, so he has a lot of subscribers. So if you don't want to, well, I didn't know how he got so much subscribers so fast, but he doesn't have more subscribers than me. Oh, and Christmas is over. So I'll go change my skin. Okay. I forgot to. So let's go to PAX to see what they have. Nope, 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 nope. Ah, detective. I guess I should be detective. So I got 13 fishies. Which I don't. I have everything, right, guys? Do I have everything? Let me know down in the comments. Well, I have a lot of packs, so let's just go. So let's just so you can see we're here. So, that is multiplayer, everyone. Okay. Well, when I play multiplayer in a future video, maybe I'll maybe play multiplayer in 2026. Okay. So today is New Year's, the last day of 2025. Right, everyone? Right, guys? Today's New Year's, and you should, okay? And the last day of 2025, which it was my favorite year. This year was my favorite year of all time. Well, 2001, I guess I started to like thinking of my videos in 2026, and I'll make the multiplayer one for you guys. Well, sadly, we didn't make it to 110 subscribers, but we can today. It's a thank you. So, I haven't checked my subscriber limit yet. It's been like a few days. And anyways, let's just go to the house. Okay, everyone? And also, Granny, and it's snowing outside in the street, but it's fake. Oh. Granny likes putting up stuff, like starting to decorate Christmas when, like, the month's over. Oh my God, you on the TV, Granny! It's so annoying now. Do you know what? I'm gonna scratch you. I'm gonna scratch you right here. Oh, Jesus. How is she mad? Yes, knock her down. Don't mess with me on the chat. Look!
Open the shield.
Let's just get up there. You can't catch me, son of a boo-boo. Granny can't catch me. Right.
As if not, you'll gain far from me.
I was waiting for Granny to be gone. So yeah, I dropped the controllers
I'm hungry.
Ooh.
Alexa.
Okay. So
There's
guys,
Wayne.
Granny, don't erupt when
Oh,
I'm
what?
speaking. Granny, don't erupt when I'm speaking. Let's actually go away from her. So yes, this is all. Next location is this location. Guys, this looks like the mill, okay? So I'm gonna say it's the mill, okay? And I'm super excited for the mill to come out in 2026, okay? I'm like very excited. But if it comes out, then guys, I will actually do a video, okay? I'll do a video for y'all. Actually, a video. Okay? Like, yeah, Granny, I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. Yeah, Granny. Did you hear that, Granny? Did you hear?
You
Did
came
you-
far from me.
Did you hear, Granny? Hey, Granny, did you hear that there's a new location coming out, and I won't have to follow, follow your rules?
You've
Oh,
got
I'm
to from
breaking
me.
a rule right now. Breaking stuff. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Granny, that's what he deserves. That's what he deserves. For you. Oh.
Oh, open the seal.
That's hilarious! Let's go. Yes! Make the jump. Never made the jump.
Трашки.
Let's try to throw this out. What did you trip on? Oh my god! That is hilarious.
Трашки.
Let's try to throw glass at it.
You've got to from me.
So- Oh my god!
You came far from me. You've got to from me.
And oh my god! Get,
Mm.
no, just get. I'm getting on great sense. Dude, don't mess with me. Don't carry me. I'm evil. I'm evil.
Трашки.
Yeah.
You came far
Oh,
from me.
and anyways, see you later.